December 13th, 6:36 a.m. Good morning, beautiful people. Oh my gosh, girl, do not break the camera. Okay, we're picking for December 13th. What is December 13th giving us today? Let's, oh. Okay, guys, the 13th. Here we go. How did we even open this? Well, you hear me like that. It's always because, look. What in the world? Okay. Oh, wait. What in the world? So, day 13 gave us the double C camellia, but it's not the white camellia flower. It almost feels like rubber. It feels like rubber. Is it a sticker? Hold on. What? Oh, yeah. Hey guys, day 13. It's the double C, and I believe it's a sticker. See there? It's a sticker. Drop your sin of the day. This is day 13. I don't know what I would stick this on though. I really don't know. Update here on this House of Sillage candle. I did burn it, you guys. You can see that there. It does burn. It burns well. As far as scenting, it does scent up the room. It does. I put it in my office, and it does really scent up the room. However, let me say this. It is like the fragrance. It is not beast mode. It is not like really loud, really in your face. It's subtle. It's there. It's soft. It's vanilla. It's pretty. Yes. So I do think it would be a good gift. However, if you're looking for a candle that's just going to be like, you know, totally in your face, you're going to just like, you know, like some of the ones that I told you, like balsamic from Bath and Body Works. No, it's not going to give you that, but it is beautiful. Like I said, it smells just like the fragrance. It's very light. It's vanilla. It's beautiful. It's sweet. Rich, creamy, all of the above, but not a beast mode candle, but it really is nice. Okay, oh, my phone's blowing up already. Okay, I gotta go.